Welcome to Gaziemir, a calm local district in the south of Izmir, Turkey. Once known for its orchards and airbase, today it's one of the city's most peaceful neighborhoods. As you walk through these streets, you'll see everyday Turkish life, local cafes, bakeries, and families enjoying the evening breeze. Gaziemir is not a tourist hotspot, but that's exactly what makes it special. It's authentic, simple, and full of local warmth. From the lively markets to quiet parks, every corner shows a different face of Izmir. This is not the Turkey from postcards. It's the Turkey you actually experience. Stay tuned, because this is your AI travel guide. See before you go. Turkey. Long before it became part of the modern city of Izmir, this peaceful district was once a small village known as Sadikoy. The name comes from Sadi Haji Abdi, a dervish who settled here during the 14th century, building one of the first lodges and farms in the area. For centuries, Sadikoy was surrounded by olive trees and vineyards. Life was simple. Families worked the fields, raised animals, and shared tea under the shade of fig trees. In the early 20th century, the village slowly grew and became connected to the city of Izmir. It was officially renamed Gaziemir in honor of the Turkish War of Independence. Today, modern streets and cafes stand where orchards once bloomed, but the soul of Sadikoy still lives in the warmth of its people. You can still feel it in the air, a mix of old village spirit and new city life. Getting to Gaziemir is easy and convenient from anywhere in Izmir. If you're coming from the city center, take the İzban suburban train and get off at Gaziemir station. The journey takes about 25 minutes. From Adnan Menderes Airport, it's even closer. Just a 10-minute ride by taxi or train. Once you arrive, most places are within walking distance. Cafés, markets, and local parks. Whether you come by train, car, or on foot, Gaziemir welcomes you with calm streets and genuine local life. This is your AI travel guide. See before you go, Turkey.